welcome to my video. This video is all about phonetic alphabet for hospitality. First, I will identify what is phonetic alphabet.
What is phonetic alphabet? First, we have a set of symbols such as the IPA used for phonetic transcription. Second, any various system of identifying letters of the alphabet by means of code, words, and voice communication.
Now, I will recite the phonetic alphabet from A to Z and name and my partner name. A for Alpha, B for Bravo, C for Charlie, D for Delta, E for Echo, F for Foxtrot, G for Gold, H for Hotel, I for India, J for Juliet, K for Kilo, L for Lima, M for Mike, N for November, O for Oscar, P for Papa, Q for Quebec, R for Romeo, S for Sierra, T for Tango, U for Unicorn, V for Victor, W for Whiskey, X for X-ray, Y for Yankee, Z for Zulu. And my name is Marilyn Alipio. M for Mike, A for Alpha, R for Romeo, L for Lima, Y for Yankee, N for November, A for Alpha, L for Lima, I for India, P for Papa, I for India, O for Oscar. And my partner name is Laika David. L for Lima, Y for Yankee, K for Kilo, A for Alpha, D for Delta, A for Alpha, V for Victor, I for India, D for Delta.